Hello everyone and welcome to another Looker Studio tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to change a Google Ads data source in a Looker Studio report. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to edit your Looker Studio report, and you need to click on Page. Then you're going to go to Current Page Settings. And then on the right-hand side where it says data source, you're going to remove the existing data source and you are going to click here. You're going to say add data. You're going to select Google Ads. You're going to select the account that you want to link and simply you are going to say add. Now, once you do that, then you will need to click once again here and select your new data source. And this will change the entire data source for every scorecard, every graph, every chart in this Looker Studio report. That's it. That's all for this video. If you have questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.